Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we're going to be making a Griffon Omelette from the video game Guild Wars 2. So, let's grab your Griffon egg and let's get started.
In a bowl, crack your eggs and add some salt and pepper to taste. Now we whisk it all together until it's well combined. Let us take a moment to look at Guild Wars 2 and some interesting facts. Humans are the only generic MMO playable race in this whole game, and they were the only playable race in Guild Wars 1. The Silvari are the only playable race not to feature in Guild Wars 1. Lastly, each player has their own personal story, which is told through a series of unique events that you participate in to drive the story. Back to cooking, add some oil to a fry pan on medium heat and then pour the egg mixture into the pan. As it cooks, push the egg towards the center and then move the pan around so the runny egg fills the space. Now we add some spring onion and grated cheese to one half of the omelette. Now we can enjoy the omelette, and if you think I've earned it, you can hit that subscribe button along with giving it a like. I also think you'll enjoy the video on how to make nut cake from Zelda Breath of the Wild. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.